Want to build your first app but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll walk you step by step through creating your very first app in under 30 minutes, no coding skills needed. We'll be using Mint App Inventor, a free, beginner-friendly tool. All you need is a browser and your imagination. Let's start by creating a new project. Name it whatever you like. I'll call mine Hello World App. Now we're in the designer view. Just drag and drop. Let's add a button, a label, and a text box. You can customize colors, text, and layout here. Super easy. Time to make it work. Head over to the blocks section. Let's make the app respond. When the button is clicked, it will show the message typed in the box. Now let's test it. Open the Make Companion app on your phone, scan the QR code, and boom, your app is live. Want to make it even cooler? Add an image, change the background, or play a sound. You're in full control. In just minutes, you created your first app, from design to test. Keep experimenting, and soon you'll be building bigger and better apps. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fast tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll respond. Thanks for watching Byte Bloom. Thanks for watching Byte Bloom, where technology blossoms. Don't forget to subscribe and explore what's next.